Hey, how's it going everyone? I have another new product review today for you. This was sent to me by the amazing people over at Opolar. Huge shout out to them for sending me stuff for review. This is a brand new release to universal mount for iPhone 6 and 6S. Now this features a very unique way to mount your phone. Instead of the standard clasp clip or vent clip, what it utilizes is a Velcro adhesive. So essentially what you do is you stick the adhesive side to the back of your phone to create a minimalist look. Now if you would like to, you can use a bumper just in case you want extra protection around the edges of your phone, corners, and the sides. But I don't recommend putting a full case on, as it will interfere with the back plate itself, rendering it useless. So as you can see in the middle, you have a couple different diagrams of where you can place it. So you can place it in the office, seat, back, desk, nightstand, kitchen, and bath, as many more displayed below. And now because this utilizes Velcro, it can sit perfectly full vertical or horizontal, depending on your personal preference. So now let's take a look inside the packaging and see everything that makes this mount so special. So inside, you're not only going to get the sticky adhesive that goes onto the back of your phone, but you're also going to get 4 individual Velcro strips that you can stick to anywhere. And now these are able to be used more than once, but I would recommend once you have it in the spot that you want, I would recommend just keeping it there, so that way you don't wear out the sticky adhesive on the back, and you don't take any chances of your phone falling off and getting damaged. So I'm going to do first is apply the back plate. Now what you want to make sure you do is, I already did this, but you want to clean off the back of your phone of any unwanted dust or debris. So that way it creates a bubble-proof insulation and a 100% seal all the way around the back of your phone. So that way it doesn't fall off. So let's go ahead and apply the back protector. Very easy to apply. Once you take it off its adhesive, you can go ahead and just align this on your phone. And then once you have it applied, go ahead and just smooth it out, making sure you get rid of any air bubbles. Just go ahead and stick it to the side of this table real quick. And now when you're sticking this, I recommend sticking it onto a flat surface to avoid it coming off or not sticking properly. Everyone, so now the moment of truth. I have the back plate on my phone, and I have the sticky adhesive on the table, so let's see if it sticks. Yeah, it's actually sticking really nicely. And now this table, as far as the height goes, is a little bit on the narrow side. So a thicker surface area would be more desirable place to put this. So let's try the shake test just in case. So we actually have some pretty strong Velcro here. And it only starts to come off if you really either hit it or if it moves around too much. But overall, it's doing a pretty good job of staying on the Velcro. And that was my quick look at the Opolar universal mount for iPhone 6 and 6S with a Velcro attachment. Once again, a huge shout out to Opolar for sending me this out for a review. If you want to pick one of these up, I'll leave a link in the description down below. They currently retail for $12.99 on Amazon, which is an amazing deal since they normally retail for $48.99. And the fact that you can virtually stick it to anywhere Makes it a huge convenience. If you liked the video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more future videos like this. And as always, thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.